Hello, we are the researcher from Earist Cavite, and we would like you to have a judgment at our system. The name of our system is Registrar Journal website. The main purpose of this study is to help the registrar with their workflow. Also, help the student to request at the registrar online. This is our landing page. It will consist of two forms, which is login and register. And it is for the students only. In our login section, it will require an input of email and password before you can log in. While in the register, it will require you a lot of input because of data validation for the registrar section. Let's go and log in at the student client. This is the header of the website student client. It consists of the navbar with all the buttons to navigate the website. Also, we can see the background and the description of the school on the center of the website. And also, we have a button that will redirect you to the main page of the Earist. Down here, we can see three cards, and those three cards are the main function for the student client. It consists of requests, forms to download, and appointment history. Let's go at our request page. So here in our request page, there will be a form that will require you to input. Those are the program, verification ID, comment, selected appointment, and the files that you want to request. Let's try to request. At that box, we can see the result. It will indicate the price, the program, and any input that the user did. So if the user submit the request, automatically the data that the user input will be emailed at the registrar email and also notify the admin site. So when we go to the appointment history, the student can see the status of the request and their appointment. It will indicate the status of the request, if it's ongoing or rejected or done. Because admins have the right to reject the appointment, because the admin will always validate the data of the student. And let's go to the forms to download. The forms to download will have the table of forms to fill up for the requested student record. This will indicate all the forms, and there will be a button that will allow the student to download the PDF version of the form so that the student can input the data for their request. And that's the end for the student client. We can go to the admin side where there will be a portal route that only the admins can log in. So as usual, the login form includes the email of the admins and the password of the admin. So let's go. Welcome to the dashboard of admin. So here we can see the big calendar for the admin and all the schedule will be seen. As we go down, we can see the cards of goal. Those cards of goal as a theory in our study, which is goal setting by Edwin A. Locke. This theory is based on the idea that setting a specific and measurable goals is more effective than setting unclear goals. In addition to setting clear goals, Locke emphasized the fact that employees work well when they are faced with challenging goals. So basically, the idea is to break down the goals into small tasks so that it will have a clarity and a process to go. Let's try to add a goal. And if we go down, we can see the black cards, which is all the list of appointment available for the student to take. The process will be the admin will post the appointment and the student will book the appointment in the student client side. And also the admin can see all the appointment in the calendar. Let's go to the news tab. In this tab, the admin can add and delete the news that will be posted in the student client side. For the request tab, the admin can see the table of requests, which include the student number, request, description of the request, ID, the status, and the appointment. The admin can also reject the request and send an email to the student. Also, delete and mark as done. For our form tab and frequently asked question tab, it's the same function as the other, where the admin can add and delete a form or a frequently asked question, and it will be posted in the student client side. So that's it for our system. Thank you for your time and have a great life.